What's up, foodie gang? This is Iswaton with another recipe video. Look, today we're making a seafood club sandwich. This recipe was inspired by Miss Pat all the way in Baltimore, Maryland. Look, this is my twist on it. Let's get into it. The best part about it, we are smoking the shrimp salad. You see that, right? Smoking the shrimp salad. Subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, and let's get into this fun, easy recipe. Look, we're going to start off with the shrimp. We're going to clean, devein the shrimp, and we're going to season it. We want to make sure that it's seasoned, well combined. All of the ingredients will be in the description for you guys, so don't worry. So once you finish watching this video, scroll on down and get everything you need. Alright, so once we go ahead and mix everything, we're going to cook this in the air fryer. You can saute it. I prefer the air fryer. The air fryer, look, only takes 2 to 3 minutes, and it's pretty simple, and it takes the hassle out of cooking in the kitchen. Okay, so we're going to make sure it's spread out evenly, and we're going to put that in the air fryer. Now while that's in the air fryer, we're going to go ahead and start with our mixture for the shrimp salad. We'll start with our mayo, some fresh lemon juice, some celery, red onions, and then we hit it with some black pepper. And then more importantly, we're going to hit it with that good old Creole seasoning. And look, we're going to mix that up together, and while that's mixing, the shrimp is going to be finished. You don't believe me? Watch. Look, the shrimp is done already. Now, you do want the shrimp to completely cool off before you put it into the mixture. And once you put that in the mixture, you're going to go ahead and stir everything together and make sure everything is good to go. All right? So we're going to make sure everything is well combined, just like that. And then once that's combined, the next step is you do want to taste about 1 to 2 shrimp. Don't eat all of it. Look, we need it for the sandwich. Put that third one down. We're going to go ahead and smoke it. I'm going to list the smoker in the description. I got mine off of Amazon. You know, that good old 2-day shipping. It takes everything to the next level. I use hickory wood chips, and I smoked it for about 15 minutes. Now, after you smoke it, you go ahead and you want to put that in the refrigerator and let that cool out. But look at that, man. It's just amazing. It tastes so good. And all right, and let that cool off a little bit in the refrigerator while you get everything else set up and ready to go. So we're going to move on to my part. I love this part. Crab cakes. All right, so we're going to start off with our mayo. Then we're going to go ahead and hit it with our seafood season, Worcestershire, whatever you call it, some fresh parsley, some Dijon mustard, some fresh lemon juice, and then some melted butter. Now at this point, this is where I mix it. I don't put my breadcrumbs in, and I do not put the egg in, because this is the part where you can taste the mixture and see if it's to your liking. So this is an opportunity to adjust if you need to, okay? So taste it, it's good to go. Then that's when you go ahead and you add your breadcrumbs in there. Then you can go ahead and add your egg, and you mix it on up before you add your crab meat. Okay, and it's that simple. You see, I like fun, easy, and quick recipes. All right, add that lump crab meat in there. And once you add that crab meat in there, you definitely want to fold it. You're not stirring it like cake batter. You want to fold it. Pull it from the bottom and fold it on top. Okay? And once you get everything well combined, you do want to go ahead and make your crab cakes. And you can make them the size you want. I did about 6 to 8 ounces, I would say. And I would say about a pound should equal about 4 decent sized crab cakes. And after you make your crab cakes, you definitely want them to chill out along with the shrimp salad in the refrigerator in 30 minutes to an hour. Because why? We're going to fry these bad boys. That's right. I am frying them at 350 with some vegetable oil, and you'll fry them until they're about golden brown. You don't want to keep them in there too long. So once it stops bubbling, whoo, look at that crab cake. You see how that looks? That looks amazing. That crab cake looks really, really good. All right, so we have our condiment. Look at that bacon. Our smoked shrimp salad, our lettuce, tomato, and I'm using brioche bread. I love the butteriness and the sweetness to it, the hint of sweetness to the bread. It complements the seafood very well. Now, instead of putting mayo on this sandwich, I'm using my crab sauce, which will be in the description for you guys. The same crab sauce I use for the egg rolls. Make sure you go watch that video too. Alright, so add the lettuce, some fresh cut tomatoes. Then we're going to go ahead and add some crispy bacon. Look, bacon goes good with everything, don't it? Our nice juicy lump Merlin style crab cake. Whew, there we go. And then we're going to go ahead and make our next level. So we're going to go ahead and add that piece of bread there, and that's going to hold the smoked shrimp salad. I cannot get enough of this. Alright, so you're going to go ahead and put the smoked shrimp salad on top. Make sure it's nice. Make sure everything's even. You know, look at it like Jenga. You want to make sure that you're not knocking nothing over, okay? Make sure you put as much as you want on there, but again, you want it to be stable. Look at it. It looks really good just like this. I would take a bite of it just like that, but you know, I'm filming, so I'm gonna give y'all the whole school. I'm gonna cut into it and everything and do it the proper way. Okay, so once you go ahead and cut into that, look at the inside. This recipe is something that I had from Miss Pat back in 2011, and oh my gosh, I can't believe it's taken me this long to have it again. And we are here for the taste test. Oh my gosh. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a bite of this sandwich. This is going to make a mess, but look, if it ain't messy, it ain't good. Take a nice big bite of that. Look, you got sauce on the side of your mouth. That's how you know it's good. Look, thanks for watching. Eat with Twan. I really appreciate it. Subscribe to my channel. And look, have a blessed one.